Australian Museum, as the nation's first museum, we turn 190 years old next year. So we've got this great challenge now of master planning for the future and really looking and seeing how we can integrate technology into what is a very historic natural history museum, but also build anew and bring that cultural collection out from behind. I mean, I'd love to get our collections out en masse and literally turn the Australian Museum inside out. You know, when people get to go behind the scenes, it's when they go, oh, this is extraordinary. Well, I want all the public to experience that. All of the treasures, all of the secrets, all of the curiosities, but also the important science that comes out of here day in, day out. I mean, I've got 120 research scientists working here at the Australian Museum who are doing such incredible applied science. So now, because of genetics, and we've got the most advanced wildlife genomics lab in the country dealing with wildlife, and we do all the work for bird strike on aircraft. We do all the work for customs and quarantine on illegally imported or exported species. So we've just, with our new DNA techniques, have taken to the world a new way of analysing rhino horn, which tells us, you know, where that particular horn came from, which group of rhino, even in Africa, is being targeted. So it gives us lots of new information in a very practical, applied way. And of course, it helps us understand conservation biology. You know, what is happening to our species in Australia? They're under threat from all sorts of things, including, of course, the changes in temperature through climate change here. And so it gives us insights into what is happening to our local species and the work we can do to preserve them. I mean, the best example of that probably is the work that we've done with the Koala Genome Project and sequencing the DNA of the koala here for the first time as part of a consortium. And now, of course, that information is helping us on koala populations around the country. Some of them don't have very diverse genetics, and they need to. So it's all about how the new science can help us understand how we manage populations in the future so they can be enjoyed and part of Australia. You know, our natural history, our topography, the geography of Australia informs who we are as people. It's very much part of our character as a nation. So who knew museums could do all of that for you?